Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and this is a haul video. This is not a makeup haul, this is basically a fashion haul and clothing haul and footwear haul, yeah. And this is a collective haul. I have not purchased everything once. I have been collecting all these things from a while, and as I told you guys that I am going on a vacation this January, so I purchased a lot of things for the vacation as well. And yeah, so let's get started with the haul. So this haul includes a lot of sites like runway.com, SHEIN.com, Myntra.com, Club Factory. So yeah, I have shopped from lot of websites. Like I have shopped a lot of online. I have also shopped offline as well, but there are very few things offline. So let's get started with the haul. So first I'm just gonna show you the winter wear which I shopped from runway.com. So the very first thing I got is this denim jacket. So this is the denim jacket I got, and it is like a one size jacket, so it's a little loose on me and it's a little baggy, but it looks really cool. So this is the denim jacket from runway.com, and I'll try to put all the links of whatever I'm showing in the description box, so you can have a look, and the prices will be also there. So yeah, because I don't remember the prices right now. So then I got this really nice short coat. It is basically like a tweed coat, I would say. Yes, so it is like a red tweed coat with some strings over here at the bottom and on the sleeves. I don't remember whether it was one size or they have sizes in this, because this one is a little I would say I would not say tight, but I think this is one size smaller than what would have suited me, because the fit is fine. The only problem is in the sleeves. The sleeves are a little shorter, what I think, according to my body. So yeah, so this is basically a red tweed short coat, and again I got this from runway.com. Alright, so those were the only two things I got for the winters, because I already have a lot of stuff of winter, so I don't want to like overindulge myself for the winter wear. And now comes the summer wear. Basically that are the things I bought for the vacation. But before going to that, I want to show you those things which are kind of universal. Like I can wear it in summer, I can wear it in winters, like especially the pants, the bottom part. So I'm just gonna show you that. So I got these jeggings. These are dark blue jeggings, and yeah, basic jeggings, nothing special. I didn't had a dark blue pair of jeans or jeggings, so I wanted to have like a really nice dark blue pair of jeggings or jeans. So I got these jeggings, and these are from Aeropostale, and these are like high-waisted jeggings. So yeah, this retails for I guess 2,500 rupees, but I got it in 50% off. Yeah, they had like a sale going on, so I got these jeggings. Then I got one more pair of jeggings. This is like a basic black jegging, and I ordered it from Myntra.com, and these are the jeggings. Like nothing special. It's a very basic black jegging with some zippers here. Yeah, I didn't have any black jeggings, so that's why I ordered this. And this was like really cheap. There was sale going on in Myntra, and I got this around like 450 bucks. Yeah, just 450 bucks. And I also got one more bottom, and that is from SHEIN.com. And I am a little doubtful of these pants, because first of all, it's like really long. I have to get it like altered. The second thing is, I think like it's a little saggy on me. Yeah, the material is really nice. It's a little saggy on me, and it is also high-waisted, and it is saggy, especially from the thigh area. So I really don't like the fit of these pants. I have to be like really fit for these pants to, you know, suit me, or I have to lose a little weight. So I don't know, I will do something of these pants. I don't know. First of all, I have to get the length altered, and then I'll see how I can style this. So yeah, little doubtful about these pants. And these pants I got it from SHEIN.com. Alright, so that was bottoms basically. So now let's come on to the actual summer wear, I would say. Yes. So first of all, I'll be showing what all the things I got from my Myntra.com. So the very first thing I got is this dress. This is a maxi dress. It's like, it has some blue flowers, white flowers, and it has a black base, but you can't see black a lot because this dress seems like more of a blue than black. So it's like a long maxi dress and very decent, very conservative. Yeah, so very nice long black dress. Then I got one more dress, which is again very decent, very conservative. Actually, wherever I'm going for the vacation, I'm going with my in-laws, so I wanted to like dress modestly. So yeah, that's why I got maxi dresses. And this is the dress. It's a very nice printed yellow dress. Again, it's very long and it's a maxi dress, and again very modest and very conservative, but still they look really pretty, both the dresses. So those were the dresses, and both of them I got it from Myntra.com. I also got two of the tops from Myntra.com, and yeah, let me just show you those as well. So the first top I got is this top, and this is like a great top with some red birds on it and cherry blossom. I really like the base color, the grey color. So yeah, this is the top. If you follow me on my blog channel, you must have seen these tops. Then I have one more top. So this is the top. It's a very pretty kind of pink colored top. Like it's like a corally pink colored top. And very nice. It is like it is having cold shoulders, which is nice. I got it in medium, but I think that even small would have fit me really well because it's a little loose. I have to like wear a tank top underneath because I think it's a loose fit for me. But I'll just manage because I was just looking to the side and they were out of stock for the small size. So I'll work with it, it's okay. So this is the top, again from Myntra.com. So yeah, I am done with the Myntra.com haul, and I'm left with some footwear haul and my SHEIN haul. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I got from SHEIN. The very first thing I got from SHEIN, apart from that weird pants, is this bodysuit. Yes, it's in grey color, and I love the stuff of this bodysuit, and loved the sleeves as well. It has these flared sleeves, and it is kind of like an off-shoulder top, but you can wear it if you don't want to show your shoulders that much. You can wear it normally as well, so it's totally up to you. And this is like a bodysuit. I love wearing bodysuits because if you're wearing something high waist and you want to like tuck your top into the pants, and then bodysuits are the best for it because they don't, you know, get lifted by its own. They just stay in place. That's why I prefer bodysuits whenever you have to wear something high-waisted, especially when I wear high-waisted skirts. I prefer bodysuits over normal tops. Yeah, so that's why I got bodysuit. Really nice top, love it, and it looks beautiful. The fit is amazing. Then I got one more bodysuit, and this is also very pretty. I don't know whether I'll be taking everything for that vacation or not, but I'll see what to take, what not to. But I really loved these things, that's why I bought it. And this is the bodysuit. It has a turtleneck, so yeah, and long sleeves, and again a nice bodysuit. And again, it's very nice if you're pairing it with any skirt or any high-waisted top. Yeah, so it's really nice. It's like a black bodysuit with some red floral work going on. Then I also got one basic black bodysuit. Yeah, I already have like black tops, plain black tops, which I pair with my skirts or pants. But again, as I told you, that I have that problem that they just get lifted up by itself. They don't stay in place. So that's why I wanted a basic black bodysuit. So I got this. It has long sleeves and a pretty basic black bodysuit. Yeah. Then I got one more bodysuit. Yes, I shopped a lot of bodysuits this time, and this is also a very basic one, but I really liked this one as well. It would really go with my that dark jeggings from Aeropostale I bought. So this is like striped black and white. It's not black, sorry, it's a navy blue and white striped bodysuit with some 3/4 not 3/4 half sleeves, like till the elbow sleeves, and yeah, basic bodysuit. And then I'm just left with one last thing from SHEIN, and it's not a bodysuit. It's a top basically, and it's a very pretty top. I loved this top a lot. Again, it's an off-shoulder top, but you can wear it according to you, whether you want to wear it off-shoulder or you can wear it as a boat neck. So it's a very pretty top. It's a white top with some floral print going on, and look at the sleeves of this top. I love it, love it. It has these ruffle sleeves and they look beautiful, literally beautiful. So those were the things I got from SHEIN.com, and I am just left with the footwear haul. So the very first thing I wanted to show in footwear is those things which I got it offline, like from the stores. Is first footwear is these sandals. They're very basic sandals, but you know, they are very comfortable, like very comfortable. It feels like that you're walking on clouds. They are very comfortable. They have like kind of memory foam going on. Yeah, that's why they are very comfortable. And I got it from Payless. I was very happy. In Chandigarh, they have opened a store, Payless, and I love Payless shoes. I have a lot of Payless shoes in my collection, so I love Payless. And these retails for like 1500, and I got it like really cheap. They were just 900 bucks. So I love shopping for Payless. So these were the Payless sandals or slippers, whatever you want to call. And then I got these slippers. These are like those beach slippers, and I really like the fish on it, and the mermaid texture going on the straps. I really like that, and I got it from Aeropostale again. There was like a 50% off, so that's why I got this. I also got these for my mom-in-law. Yeah, so really nice slippers. Alright, just left with 2 more footwears, and these footwears I got it from Club Factory. Okay, so this was like my first time experience from Club Factory, and I ordered shoes. I am actually like really doubtful and nervous shopping shoes online, because I am always doubtful about my size, because I have like really small feet. So but I took the risk and I ordered from Club Factory. So but I'm very happy with my purchase. The size is perfect, even the comfort of the footwear is amazing. So yeah, loved it. And the very first pair of shoes I got are this one. So these are basic white shoes. So these are very much in trend, and I was not having a pair of white shoes in my collection, so I wanted to have that. And the size is perfect for me. Yeah, I'm super happy with the purchase, and they're very comfortable as well. Alright, so the next and the last thing in the haul is our sandals. These sandals, I got it again from Club Factory, and these are platform sandals basically. Yeah, and they were very cheap, plus they are very comfortable as well. And I wanted to have sandals with which I can walk a lot, like, because we are going to the vacation here, right? So I wanted to have something like that. So it has heels. I will look tall, but they're very comfortable to walk as well. So love it, and I love the metal detailing here as well. So they look really very chic and nice. Alright, so that's it for the haul video, and I hope you liked all the stuff I got. I really wanted to do a try on haul for this haul, but as there are winters, I am feeling a little cold and I am feeling a little lazy, but I'll try to do a lookbook where we are going for vacation. I'll try to do a week outfit lookbook, so you can see these clothes on me, how they look on me, how they fit on me. So yeah, I promise that. And yeah, that's it for the video. And if you're new to my channel, then please hit on the subscribe button, and I will be linking all the things in the description box, and their prices as well, and their links as well, so you can go and check it out. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful, and stay healthy.